A judge isn't ready to move forward with the murder case against a West Hollywood man accused of a bloody knife attack. The court says it's not sure if he should be tried for murder since a deputy shot and killed the innocent man. KCAL9's Jeff Nguyen explains.
This morning, 28-year-old Alexander McDonald entered the airport courthouse charged with murder for a shooting in which he did not pull the trigger. On April 7th, deputies mistakenly shot and killed John Winkler as he tried to run from McDonald during a bloody knife attack inside a West Hollywood apartment. Today, the attorney for Winkler's family spoke on their behalf.
The blame lies with the sheriff's department. The sheriff's department is the one that shot him and killed him.
During a preliminary hearing in McDonald's case, his roommate testified the suspect had entered his apartment through a patio door before pulling out a knife. His roommate said Alex said if we move, he would kill Chris. Chris was a friend who was visiting the apartment along with Winkler that day. The sheriff's department arrived just moments later after getting calls about McDonald running through the complex with a knife. McDonald's roommate testified the suspect stabbed his friend Chris before stabbing the roommate in the neck. The roommate tried to run from the apartment, but when he got through the door, deputies shot him. His friend Winkler ran behind him and deputies shot and killed him.
We are finding mistakes, it looks like, in training, mistakes in execution.
A sheriff's department sergeant testified the mistake happened because the suspect's description was similar to Winkler's, saying immediately after that, a man with a black shirt came out with what appeared to be a stabbing motion. The sergeant also said deputies were confused because Winkler ran towards them. But McDonald's roommate testified he told deputies after he was shot the suspect was shirtless. Another witness testified that she showed deputies pictures of the suspect prior to the case of mistaken identity that cost an innocent victim his life. The judge is now taking the case under advisement. He wants both sides back in court next month to brief him on whether or not McDonald should stand trial for murder. At the airport courthouse, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL9 News.